It's 2, it'll be dark orange. I'm just going to copy this code. So if it's 0, if it's 1, if it's 2, let's see, so what do we have? And red, dark orange, yellow, lime, dodger blue, purple. Yellow, lime, dodger blue, purple. Dot yellow. If it's 3, it's going to be lime. If it's 4, it's going to be dodger blue. And I missed one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have an extra one here. And if it's 5, now it could be 5, or if we have a mistake, we could have a higher number. So similarly to in the set color ifs where we ended with just an else and we had kind of like the else acted as a catch-all case, we're going to do the same thing here. So we know we're only supposed to support 6 values, and we've checked for the first 5. We've checked for 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay. If it's not any of these, then we ended up right here, and we don't need to check if this is 5 or anything else. We know it's the 6th color, no matter what. So I don't need an if. All I need is a simple return. Return red. No, I'm sorry. Purple. That's the last color in our sequence. Okay. So how does this work? Say n is 3. If n is 3, we go through here. Is n 0? No. So we skip this return and we go to the next if. Go to the next line. Is n 1? No. So we skip that, go to the next line. Is it 2? No. We skip that, go to the next line. Is it 3? Yes. So we return lime. By sheer virtue of the fact that we call the return keyword, none of the rest of this code is executed. We exit the function immediately when the computer sees return. It exits the function immediately. The rest of this code does not get executed. We don't need any other else's, don't need anything else. Okay? So now, how are we going to use this function in our code? Simple. It's called getColorIfs. So that's how we call it. And we pass it our random number. Okay? And getColorIfs is going to return a color. So let's gotta do this 4 times. For secret 2, secret 3, secret 4. Now also note, every time that I call the randNext function, we're going to get potentially a different number. So even though this is really the same code 4 times, the actual colors returned, the actual colors that will now be contained in the 4 secret variables are most likely going to all be different. Okay? So let's run this code. So first I can change the colors to anything I want. Okay. So I'm going to cheat so we can see the original code. I'm going to have it generate a new code, then I'm going to have it display it. by clicking the cheat button. That's our new code. Create a new code, display it. Create a new code, display it. That's cool. Now let me demonstrate the sequence here. Let me run the program again. Okay. So this is the secret code that we hard-coded when we initialized the 4 secret variables earlier in this lesson. When I click new code, it's going to create a new secret code, and I'm going to display it. It is orange, red, yellow, blue. Remember that. Orange, red, yellow, blue. I'm going to generate a new code. Green, yellow, yellow, purple. First one was orange, red, yellow, blue. I'm going to close the program. I'm going to start it again. This is the original. Look at that. Orange, red, yellow, blue. So it randomly generated the same random secret code that it generated last time that we ran the program. Now this next one should be green, yellow, yellow, purple. I was right. Okay. So see the benefit of having it generate random secret codes, but that are repeatable every time you run the program? It's very nice.